guys, welcome to my channel. So on this channel you will get the latest reviews on beauty, lifestyle, fashion, fragrances, skincare, hair care, anything and everything that a woman desires just to feel good about herself and happy. So if you like the idea, please do remember to hit the subscribe button below and we shall get started. So today I thought I'll do a review, a very quick review on one of my favorite beauty tools, and that is mascara. So I have loads and loads of mascaras, but these three are something that I reach out for the most often. Now these three will not be rated in any specific order of preference. Rather, it depends on the time of the day or the kind of mood you're in or the kind of look that you're going for. So again, in no specific order of preference. The first one is my Hourglass Extreme Caution Extreme Lash Mascara by Hourglass. Now Hourglass is an amazing makeup brand, and I just die for their blushes. I mean, they have some of the best. I don't know what they put in it, but the minute you apply it, it just feels like magic dust. So this one by Hourglass, it gives you amazing length and a bit of volume as well. And if you see the wand is nicely tapered, and it sits really well on the eyelash so that you can get the right angle, especially if you have clumsy hands like me. It will really help you to get that, and it doesn't have too much fall off. I mean, I have experienced, but it's not like crazy like you have with some of the drugstore mascaras out there. And of course, I think I do remember that I started having the fall off after 7 hours of wear. So again, in that sense, I think it's a pretty good deal, and you just get beautiful lashes, and it doesn't budge, it doesn't go anywhere, and this is one of my favorites. The second one on the list, and this one, again, I wanted to make note that I don't wear any false lashes. My lashes are natural and I don't wear false lashes. Okay, the second one on the list is my Lancome Grandiose, and it's pretty aptly named. It does have a grandiose effect to your lashes. What it is it has the wand is something that is out of some sci-fi movie. If you just take a look, it has a beautiful curvature and it will sit beautifully on your lashes. And what I really like about this is that it will sit perfectly, and you will be able to just roll it through. Like some of the lashes you have to like go up like that, like, you know, just stroke it up. Here you just like roll it up, just roll the wand. This is actually a very glamorous, it will give you a glamorous effect. I mean, if you're going on a night out or you're just going dancing and you just want that glamorous night out, beautiful, perky effect, this is the one for you. And I'm in the shade black. So I know there is a dark blue and there is a brown, but black is something that I reach out for again and again. And then the third one is I reach out for this again and again and again and again, and I don't know how many times I have repurchased this since it came out. This is actually by It Cosmetics, the superhero, and again, very apt to its name. It is my superhero when it comes to mascaras. Now, what's so beautiful and what's so amazing about this mascara? It just gives you that charcoal black effect to the lashes, and it has no fall off, it will not budge, and the bestest of the bestest thing that I like about this, it gives you amazing density and it gives you amazing volume along with length. So these two will also give you length and medium volume, if that's what you're after. This will give you like amazing amount of volume, and the quality of this is just second to none. I mean, I have been using this for I don't even remember. I think I've been using since it came out, and I think I'm on my 4th or my 5th tube now. I don't wear makeup all day long, but whenever I am filming or whenever I'm on the move, I will just wear just like a liner, mascara, and an under eye concealer and a sunscreen, and I'm done for the day. I don't go about wearing a blusher and a highlighter and a contour. I love doing that, don't get me wrong, but I save that for the special occasions. But for everyday makeup, you can wear this actually for your party time, your everyday wear, your office wear to work, anywhere. You've even to, you know, like I have even worn this on flights, so, and it hasn't caused any budging effect. So yeah, I love these 3 mascaras, and they will always be my favorite mascaras of all times. If you have any of your favorite mascaras, please do let me know in the comments below. Do remember, if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, you know the drill, and do subscribe to the channel. You will see the bell icon and just click on that, and you will be notified as and when I do upload a video. Anyway, thanks for your time, thanks for dropping by, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video.